welcome to Pear Property. Today I am near Na Jom Tien Beach, just only 100 meters, or if walking distance like 5 minutes. So if you like to have low-rise condominium, 8 stories and close to Na Jom Tien Beach, very quiet, nice breeze, close to the sea, you get always all days wind, and the price starting only 2.3 million baht. Very good price. Follow me to see the detail. And here I am at facility areas. On the first floor in the garden, you have swimming pool, 3 swimming pool. Next to this is gym area. So if you love to exercise in the morning, you can see my hair. The wind is very nice here. There's sauna over there. The community is not so big, but the space quite nice. There are studio type, 1 bedroom. The price starting only 3 million. And 2 bedroom type around 70 square meter, 73 square meter, and the price only starting with 7 million Thai baht. Follow me to see the show unit. Here I am at 2 bedroom, start from 73 square meter and the price start from 7 million. You get all the built-in and furniture, just only small decoration that not include. Actually the layout quite nice because when you entrance or open the main door, have long and big living room, like together open space, and on the left side is bedroom, toilet, and then the master bedroom. So it's quite pretty easy layout, like long layout. For high floor, like now I am on 7th floor, you already can see quite nice view. The beach, the sea of Na Jom Tien. As I mentioned, from here it's just only 100 meters to the beach, but walking distance probably 400 meters if you want to walk to the beach, but you can just enjoy the view from here. We start from the furniture part. You will have shoe cabinet on this side. On the kitchen side, you have another built-in for washing machine. They are already prepared drain and electrics. You can just buy washing machine and put inside here, so you can use this one as washing machine room. Kitchen, black and wood style. Come with refrigerator, sink, hot hood, microwave, built-in cabinet like this. This cooking area, dining area with table and 4 chair, L-shaped sofa, coffee table, built-in TV, and have TV here. Of course, come with aircon. And nice view, quite big balcony. This one you can have like coffee table with normal size, like 4 chair. Then evening you can enjoy sunset and sea view from here. I will start with the small bedroom first. In the bedroom, set up as queen size bed with built-in bed mattress. Have some chair here, built-in TV, wardrobe behind the door. This is makeup table or small working table. Not too big, but not too small. It's good size for your guests or your children probably. This is guest toilet with the shower, of course, for small bedroom as well. The shower room comes with rain shower, toilet, and sink with the black counter, gray, white, black. Next one is master bedroom. There are shared toilet. From master bedroom, you have a door from here. This side is 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom. A little bit bigger space with king size bed, wardrobe, cosmetic table. Of course, super nice view from here. You have a chair, you can enjoy the view. This is built-in TV cabinet, some more cabinets. You have balcony where you can also put another chair, like outdoor chair, if you would love to enjoy the view outside as well. So this is all for 2 bedroom. And this is type 1 bedroom. I'll start from the entrance. When you entrance to the room, this is the door. You will have here built-in shoe cabinet. This side is 43 square meter, but 1 bedroom starting from 39 square meter. For 43 square meter, the price starting with 3.5 million baht. Only quite good price. And include the furniture, built-in, all the stuff, just only not small decoration. So you will have refrigerator, hot hood, sink, microwave, cabinet, dining table, 2 chairs, sofa, tea table, built-in TV, aircon, and actually space in balcony also quite nice. So you have the small coffee table with chair, then you can enjoy coffee in the morning. This is bedroom, bed, built-in headboard, chair. I quite like this chair. It's pretty nice design. Table, you can have a small sitting area in the bedroom, small shelf for decoration items, makeup table, wardrobe, bathroom with rain shower, sink, toilet. This all for one bedroom. This is all about the detail of this condominium near Na Chom Tien Beach. Low-rise condominium, nice facility, let's say good location. You can walk to the beach near Alexa Beach Club and ready to move in, fully furnished, very good price. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again next week. Bye.